Well, getting on with the van. I've actually restored the bumpers now, as you can see. They look really nice. Came off a lot better than I expected. Did the grille as well. What I've used is this, which is Buzzweld. It's PIO, which stands for plastic something. And yeah, it's more of a dye than a paint, so it doesn't actually scratch off like a lot of plastic paints does. Done these bits as well, which as you can see is still in the process of drying. It's coming up really nice. Got the mirrors to do as well. But I'm really pleased just how well it's coming up. In fact, I can give you a good comparison on the grills if you want. That's the one that's been done. Got a standard one over here. I still need to nick the badge off this one. You can actually see there. That one's in okay condition for a standard one. And that one's been done. It's a sort of satin matte finish, so it's got a bit of shine. To sort of imitate plastic, so to speak. You can kind of see in the light, but it doesn't look cheap and nasty. The back one's been done as well. It's really nice finish. Sort of see. Hopefully you can see that okay. But yeah, it's just little details like that. Did the handles as well. That just make it look a lot less scruffy. Really looking forward to getting the grille back on, because that'll be all the front done then. Yeah, the engine bays. I did all this with Gravitex, which is like a underbody coating. I think I mentioned this in another video or something, but yeah, it looks good. I'm happy with it. But yes, it's coming on pretty good actually. Just got I'm gonna see if I can get a new one of those actually, them LDV badges, just to make it look even better. But that grille's basically, it's almost looks new, I would say now. It's just a nice finish. So yeah, quite happy with the progress. Could actually give the seats in the front a good clean as well. They've came up really well. Considering that one in the back is brand new and has never been sat on, basically, this one isn't too bad. There's a few marks on it and stuff, but yeah, see if we can get another cover for it or something. But yes, yeah, really happy with it.